Ever wondered how your car stays powered and connected? The secret lies in these precision-engineered TE connectors. From consumer electronics to industrial applications, our TE connectors come in various sizes and colors to meet every need. Compatible with top brands like TE, Deutsch, and more, our connectors ensure reliability and performance across industries. With over 6,500 products in stock, we're ready to support your projects, from small trials to massive orders. Our commitment: customers first. We don't just sell products, we offer solutions and seek win-win collaborations. Ready to power your next project with the best in connectivity? Contact us today and let's make it happen together.